Would ever think that 5 months ago these two will meet? I bet wala kayong idea ng 5 months ago or 6 months ago. So I'll say it's answer prayer for both of you. Siguro in your mind, especially for Pablo, I know you're lonely. You're seeking for somebody to, you know. I don't know about Marge, pero ganun siguro. You're gonna miss. You need somebody to, you know,
keep you warm.
Keep you warm. Because God created, sabi ng Diyos, it's not
Nice.
it's not nice to for a man to be alone, same as a woman. So He created
Dog.
Adam and Eve, right? So that's the same logic. Each one of you have to seek somebody. And hopefully, and I pray that whatever you're planning is blessed by God. So, congratulations.
Yes. Okay, next, Marilyn. You have it. Isang Marilyn.
Getting more to know each other. I know, hindi pa kayo mabot ng 1 year, di ba?
Months pa lang.
Yeah. Pero mabait naman talaga si mabait naman, mabait pa rin. So, I hope you're happy, both of them. And yan lang masasabi ko.
Thank you po. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, yung Ate Marilyn. Sagot mo na yung wedding cake.
Sagot po ang plan.
Sorry.
Matindi.
Kaya pagdating ng araw, marami ang mga sacrifices. So, from now on, until 10 years, tagal pa yan, maraming yung mag-iiba, changes, like the attitude, like the, sa umaga pa, they're sweet. Pagdating, is sweeter. And then, pagdating na panahon, no more sweet.
Sweetness.
Ganyan.
Bitter half.
Kailangan na kung magagalit si lalaki, ikaw si babae, tumahimik ka lang. Kung si babae ang magagalit, si lalaki, tumahimik din. Pagkatapos niya, bakit kayo magaganyan?
Talk
Yun
about
lang.
it open.
So, para yung marriage niyo, maging matibay. I was living with my husband for 42 years. Ganyan kami. Yung asawa ko noon, ang daming nagawang mga kalukuhan dahil ang mga lalaki yan. Kaya,
Alam ko naman, polygamous. Di ba pinapait?
Polygamous ba? Magpapasensya ka parati sa asawa mo, intindihin mo.
Understanding.
O yan talaga ang mag-aasawa.
Okay, you wanna say
Para
something?
yung nagsasamahan nyo, palaging sweet. Muna sa umpisa hanggang sa dulo, maraming sweet. Nagbubunga ng sweet.
Sweet and then bitter.
Oh.
Thank you po, thank you po.
Okay, next. Si Manny say something. Sino magalit sa'yo?
Yeah, they have more experience. Yeah. You'll be alright.
Sino?
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay lang.
Okay,
Alas 10 pa naman.
Next.
Yeah.
Alas 10 pa.
Nina, ano po masasabi? Nina, ano po Nina?
The secret of marriage is the Lord first, and the second is respect the lady,
Respect and
and they're gonna respect you too. And always believe God. Okay? Kahit na anong problema nyo, pag-usapan ng mabuti. Kasi
Pakinggan
I'm
yan.
married in 38 years now. Ang daming trials, but because of God is there to protect my husband and me. Yun yung nag-ano sa amin. So yun lang.
Ikaw, i-continue mo?
Yeah,
Pag hindi pa si Kuya Alvin, hindi pa nagsalita. Kuya Alvin pa.
yun.
Kuya Alvin.
Alvin.
Basta, I just wanted them to be happy, mag-enjoy kayo, be happy, bigayan, at Sabi, happy wife. Happy wife. Happy wife.
Okay. Oh, yun na yun.
Kung gusto mo problema, bigyan mo isang problema. Ikaw mo problema.
Okay, ako.
Kaya, happy wife, happy life.
Now you have an engagement ring. When you get married, you'll have a wedding ring. After your marriage, you're suffering. Joke. Sorry.
Joke, right?
Parang ako nahiya doon sa joke.
Half-meant po yung joke eh.
No, okay, my advice to you is always make something that you do together special. Kahit na maghanda kayo ng dinner, kung sino magluluto, make it special. Kasi, hindi mo alam, the next day, baka wala na, not necessarily na iwanan ka ng husband mo or whatever, but yung memories of that special thing. Even going to bed, make it special. Maligo ka muna. So always make it special. Like me and my husband, we always say na, so what's for dinner? And I said, we're gonna eat outside. Doon lang kami sa balcony. In the backyard, but still, I make it a little, we have like a TV tray, and and there are times that, kahit na walang occasion, I would make a candlelight, kahit na hindi brown out. And then, even my husband also, he knows what I like. I like flowers, right? So, alam ko if he does something wrong, nasa Home Depot na yun, dala-dala yung mga roses or whatever. And then, I didn't know I said, what did you do? Yeah, well, enjoy the flowers first. I'll tell you what I did. But always make it special. Kasi, lifetime yun eh. But the memories will always stay.
Ayos.
Ikaw, sabihin ka?
Huwag lang kalimutan
Minsan may sinabi si Gano, ba't sinabi mo? Huwag ka maniwala sa iba, ayun lang muna.
Sige, Ate Anita, meron ka bang sasabihin?
May sabihin ka?
Wala. Ate Lori, meron kang sabihin? Oh, ito, last na yata ako.
Ikaw ang last.
Last na ako. Narinig nyo lahat yung sinabi nila, no? Kaya isaulo nyo yun. Pag hindi nyo na isaulo at may nangyari, lagot kayo sa akin. Bantay kayo sa akin. Pag alright. Meron ba?
Naisip ko pala na yung i-protect nyo yung isa't isa. So, yung trust nyo, make sure na, lalo ka na, as much as possible, everything mo sa kanya.
Sister Grace,
Kailangan yung kunyari,
wala nang sayawan?
hindi sa iba.
Tuloy na.
Alam ko hindi niya yan ginawa. So, maganda yung take ng klase, diba? Yung parang, kahit sabihin
Oo. Ay, usap. Siguro, tila, kailangan siyang meron siyang ibang sasakyan.
Yan na.
Ayan na. Alright. Woo!